Hello everyone, today we're going to upgrade from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. Let's double click on VMware Workstation. I'll be using the Windows XP virtual machine, which I've been using in my other videos to upgrade. So we're going to power on this virtual machine, and it's Windows 8.1. Let's close that and put in my fancy password 123 ABC. Okay. So what we're gonna do is I have it. I'm gonna put in this Windows 10 ISO. I'm gonna use the eval copy. Unfortunately, I don't have a 32-bit. I have a 64-bit, but I'm gonna be using a 32-bit from the Microsoft store. So click on that. I'm gonna open it. And I'm gonna click OK. And then just to make sure that the CD is connected, it's not connected. Click Connect. We're gonna click on this, and we're gonna run the setup. And then click Yes. All right. I want to make sure. No, this is all demonstration purposes. So I don't really need this. So we're gonna click Next. Windows setup will go online. No. Click Next, and it's gonna be checking your computer. Give it a moment. That's what I did said before. And prior to let me see how many videos. Maybe like 2-3 videos back. I just said I had to like give this virtual machine at least 1 gig. So we go into settings. We go here. I'm gonna type in 1024, which is 1 gig, right? 1 gig, and I'm gonna power on this virtual machine. I think 1 processor is enough. I think. Let's see. If there's another error, then it might just be the processor. So slide that up. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Let me just make sure the machine is on. No, it's not. Click on Connect. There you go. Click on that. Click on Run Setup, and click Yes. I'm gonna uncheck this. Let me just click on this. What does it? I'm not gonna get the updates. I'm not for this demonstration. I don't want no updates. I want to keep it basic. So uncheck this. I'm gonna check this. I'm gonna uncheck this. Then click Next. We're gonna accept. So here it gives you the option. Choose what to keep. Right. Your files and apps and settings cannot be kept because you're installing an edition that is different than the one year. So this is one of the problems I might. So basically, if I had the same edition, just to let you guys know, if I had the same edition, Windows 10 32-bit Enterprise Edition, right? Which I'm following the same order of all the ISOs that I have used, then I'll be able to click on this part here. Because due to the nature that the edition of this window is different from the other one, I am not able to choose these options. Just to clarify. So what's going to happen here is it's going to delete everything, including the files and apps and settings, and this is pretty much going to put the computer close. It's going to put the computer as brand new, like a clean install, I believe. right? And what I'm gonna do is, because I can't click on this, the only option I have is click here, click this option. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on next. Do I want to continue the selection? Yes. And the good thing is this is the actual last part of my series of upgrades. So maybe later, what I might do is instead of 32-bit, I might just do 64-bit, which I do have a 64-bit copy of Windows 10, and maybe I can transition from 32 just to show that part where that you can keep the files in your operating system, just in case if any changes happens. So, and we gotta click. Let's see. Let's click this just in case. Just to see. Okay, it's the same thing. Let's start with a region. Is that right? United States. Yes, this is correct. Pick the region you're from. I'm gonna click yes. The keyboard layout is US. Yes. Make sure to pick the proper keyboard layout for your computer. Click yes. Want to add a secondary keyboard? Nope. I'm gonna skip it. Who's going to use this PC? Remember, guys, because I decided to pick nothing instead of keeping all my settings from or prior, then now I have to create a new account for this upgrade and a new password. Even though I'm gonna keep it the same. Because I didn't transfer none of the information from the other previous upgrade to this one. This is how you upgrade Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.